I'm Tim with Original Strength, and oftentimes I'll get asked a question, which resets work best or pair best with strength training exercises, like say the squat. And well, so there's a lot of strength training exercises. So for today's video, I'm only going to talk about the squat. And I also want you to know that the truth is, to me, in my opinion, a reset is a reset. If your body needs a particular reset, that is the one that you really want to pair with your movement, because that's the one you need. However, there are certain resets that tend to pair fairly well with certain movements, like say the squat. The squat looks a lot like rocking. So if I'm here squatting, and whether I'm front squatting, zercher squatting, goblet squatting, bar squatting, overhead squatting, the bottom position, it all looks the same, which looks like this. This is a squat. Rocking is a squat. So obviously, what I'm trying to say is rocking as a reset pairs very, very well with the squat. But so does breathing. And perhaps breathing may be more significant than rocking itself. Because at the bottom of your squat, you want to be very strong to rise up out of the squat. You want everything to reflexively contract and come up out of the squat so that you can stand again. Well, breathing with your diaphragm is actually what makes you strong at the bottom of the squat, because breathing with your diaphragm helps your pelvic floor do its job, which one of those could be helping you stand up out of the bottom of the squat. All that to say is, breathing in this position may be a fantastic reset for you to do in between sets of squat, especially before you do your squat workout. And not to say that you can't rock, but if you were going to pair two resets with squatting, it might be breathing in this position and rocking. These are phenomenal to help with your squat, to help restore a squat, and to help make you strong in a squat. The other idea, because I like you, and I want to make sure that you get something out of this video. The other position you might want to practice breathing in is right here. Getting good at breathing in this position can help your squat performance tremendously. Because again, it's making you strong at the bottom of the squat. You're using your diaphragm, it's working with your pelvic floor, and it gives you that reflexive oomph to come up out of the bottom of your squat. So if I were going to pair two resets with squatting to get the biggest bang for my buck, I would probably pair breathing in a squatted position, whether it's here or here. There's benefit to both. I would tell you to explore and play with both. Be curious about what they can do for you. And I would do rocking as well. So try those two resets if you do a lot of squats. If you like squat as a strength training exercise, try to pair some active recovery with your breathing and your rocking in between your sets of squats. All right? I hope that makes sense. Let me know what you think if you try it out. I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
If you're not moving as well as you want to, look for an Original Strength professional near you, or come to one of our Pressing Reset workshops. You can find them both on our website, originalstrength.net.